Hello, hello. In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can use your own domain on your Potion video pages. So all you have to do is log in your Potion account, make sure that you're in the right workspace, then head over to your theme settings and scroll down to find the customize domain option. And in here, you will type the custom domain name or your company domain name. For this example, I'm going to use usepotion.com. Once I type in or once you paste your custom domain, click on the request certificate button, and this will give you the steps on how to verify this domain in your domain settings. So the first thing you need to do is log in into your DNS or domain name service management console, also known as domain settings page. This is my this is my domain settings page, and note that this will look different for different domain providers like Namecheap or GoDaddy or Bluehost. We are using AWS for our domain service, so in AWS it looks like this, but you'll have a similar layout in other domain providers as well. Click on create record, and we're going to create an A record, and the subdomain we want is video. So we'll simply type in video as the name of this record. And if you go back to your theme page, you'll find the IP address that you need to put there. So I'll copy this IP address, go back to my domain settings, paste it in here, and click on create record. Go back to your theme page and click on the verify domain option. And that's it. Your domain has been verified, um, and your videos will now start serving on video.yourcustomdomain.com. And that's how you can set up a custom domain in Potion.